Yoga is a physical, mental, and spiritual practice that originated in ancient India over 5,000 years ago. The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit root yuj, meaning to unite or to join. Yoga aims to unite the body, mind, and spirit, promoting overall well-being and self-awareness. Benefits of yoga. Yoga offers numerous benefits for the body, mind, and spirit, including 1. Physical benefits, improved flexibility, balance, strength, and overall physical well-being. 2. Mental benefits, reduced stress, anxiety, and depression, as well as improved focus, concentration, and mental clarity. 3. Spiritual benefits, increased self-awareness, self-acceptance, and sense of connection to oneself, others, and the universe. We have different types of yoga stretches. In this video, we will treat a few and highlight the benefits as well. Examples of standing stretches poses. 1. Mountain pose, standing upright with feet hip-width apart, arms by your sides, and engaging your core. Mountain pose helps to strengthen the core, improve posture, improve foot health, and enables mindfulness. 2. Warrior pose, standing with your feet wide apart, with one foot facing forward and the other foot at a 90-degree angle. Warrior pose is beneficial for elasticity to the leg and back muscles, tones the abdominal organs, and brings about cramp relief in the calf. 3. Standing forward bend. It strengthens the thighs and knees. It removes sinusitis. It is good for carpal tunnel syndrome. 4. Extended triangle pose. Stack the left shoulder over the right, extending the left arm toward the sky, gaze up towards your left hand. Bend at the front hip, reaching forward over the right leg. The bottom hand can settle at the shin, ankle, or floor, palms facing forward. Right toes turned 90 degrees to the right. It increases physical and mental equilibrium. It strengthens legs and improves digestion. Examples of seated stretches poses. 5. Seated forward fold, sitting with your legs extended in front of you, leaning forward, and reaching for your toes. It helps to stretch the spine and hamstring. It tones abdominal organs and urogenital system. It also calms the mind and relieves anxiety. 6. Siddhasana pose. Shoulder relaxed, not holding tension. It improves concentration. It improves posture and reduces back pain. Example of backbends pose. 7. Cobra pose, lying on your stomach, pressing your palms into the ground, and lifting your chest and head off the mat. It is therapeutic for asthma patients. It boosts blood circulation. It tones the buttocks. It is also good for menstrual cycle. Examples of forward folds poses. 8. Downward facing dog, starting on your hands and knees, lifting your hips off the ground, and straightening your arms and legs. It calms the body, strengthens the arms and legs, relieves menstrual discomfort, increases blood flow to the brain. 9. Head to knee pose, sitting with your legs extended in front of you, bending one knee, and folding forward, reaching for your ankle. It helps to open the gluten. It stimulates and massages the liver and kidney. 10. Child's pose, head and neck in line with spine. Even space across chest and upper back. Engage core. Ankle, knee, and hip joints are in line. Feet active. It helps to calm your mind, favors digestion, elongates your lower back, opens up your pelvis, easing up period cramp. Remember to always listen to your body and modify or come out of the stretch if you experience any discomfort or pain. It's also essential to practice yoga with a qualified instructor who can guide you through proper alignment and technique. In conclusion, yoga is a rich and diverse practice that has evolved over thousands of years. Its origins, development, and key principles provide a foundation for understanding the practice and its many benefits. If you wish to take your health and mind to the next level, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video.